Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today is all the above. It's chicken skewers, shish tawouk, whatever you call it in your country. It's the fastest dinner you can prepare because you can have it with anything. Salad, rice, name it. And it's so easy to make. So I'm going to put some yogurt. I've got tomato paste, chili paste. Chili paste is optional. To this, I'm going to add white pepper, 7 spice, salt, cardamom powder, and I've got some dried thyme, garlic, lemon juice. Now you can use any cut of the chicken you want. You can cut them this size, that will make it faster. But I have used the chicken thighs because I find it really, really juicier than the breast. Cover it, leave it in the fridge 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, whatever it is. You don't have time, you can just start cooking it immediately. I've got some vegetable oil. I'm going to put it in my pan. They're ready. And here, the shish tawouk chicken skewers ready. We serve it with Arab style alioli. This one is vegan. I've made it restaurant style, if that makes any sense, and you can find the recipe on the website. But as always, I really need to taste this, so. Seriously, I'm not kidding, it's amazing.